Straighten your legs and walk your feet in as you lower your arms. Close your eyes and relax. Be aware of the sensations in your body, the increased circulation, the warmth in your thighs and chest, the looseness in your hips and shoulders. Let's exercise our neck. While keeping your shoulders still, lower your chin to your chest and stretch your neck back. Alternate between these two movements. Feel your upper back muscles lengthen as your head comes down, and feel the stretch go down into your chest as your neck moves back. Keep your shoulders still and your back straight as you move from one position to the other. Bring your head to center. Continue to keep your shoulders still. Turn your head to the right, then to the left. Turn as far as you can in each direction. Don't tilt your head. You can exercise your eyes as well by rotating them as far to the side as possible. Practice this